Hey everyone, Caitlin from Assembled here. Assembled has always been focused on efficient and empathetic support. In this demo, I'm going to walk you through how our Assist product can be used to drive efficient responses from agents and auto replies to your customers. Let's dive in. In this example, we're in Zendesk and we've got a question about Assembled's Slack integration here on the left. Right out of the gate, when you integrate with our product, we're going to connect to your knowledge base and we're going to give the team access to functionality that will drive efficiency. For example, the team can easily ask questions here. They can summarize the ticket. They can write an initial greeting. Once the team starts to use the product, the quality of the replies from Assist will go up. As it does, we'll want to actually draft replies for your agents. Now, when I click this button, draft a reply, what we're doing is using AI to read the question on the left, sifting through your help center to find the perfect answer, and overlaying your company's specific style guide to write a perfect reply. So here, you'll see drafting a response that walks through not only how to use the product, how to integrate Slack, and how to interact with our Slack bot online. Other things to note, of course, you can see the resources we use to get to this answer if you want to dive in and research further. Or if you don't like the response, you can rephrase it, say things like make it shorter, add a promo code. Any alterations here will help get you to the best possible answer. Now, once these replies are high enough quality, like this one here, the team can auto send these replies coming from our Assist product automatically, driving your first reply time down. Now, your question might be, how do we get to that quality reply? And the answer is through evaluations. In our admin dashboard, you have access to every single interaction with our product. In this case, we're showing a summary of a ticket, and you can indicate the quality of that response here on the right. So was it correct? Or was it, for example, maybe the style was off or the knowledge was missing? You can use this data to actually report on overall correctness of the product here and drivers of incorrect responses. So when I see this, I might go add knowledge to our knowledge base or make tweaks to the help center. Now, finally, we want to be able to track the quality of your replies to your customers using our product. And that's where our agent comparison report comes into play. In this report, you can see how frequently people are using the product. You can track auto sends, and you can track, most importantly, CSAT and average handle time right here for everyone on your team. We'd love to drive results for you and your team. Please reach out to us if you'd like to see a deeper dive demo.